Welcome students to Writing Day 2. Today you are going to pick a side and back it up. So that means you're going to form your opinion and then give reasons and explanations from the article as to why that is your opinion. So the first step, like I mentioned, is that you need to form your opinion. Pick which side you agree with more. And then step 2 is that you're going to support your opinion with reasons. So use the article to give your reasons. Yesterday in day 1, you looked at both sides and you gave reasons for both. Now you need to pick one and use those reasons that you already found. Then step 3 is you have to support your reasons with explanations. So now you need to tell the reader why all those reasons matter. And then step 4 is that you do it again because you need at least 3 reasons and 3 explanations for your entire writing. And we'll be using our graphic organizer to state our opinion, give our reasons from the article, and a little bit of an explanation for each of these. So let's go fill in our graphic organizer. So I'm going to have Writing Day 1 open because that is where I had my different sides, my 3 reasons for both sides as to why students should wear uniforms or not. And I'm also going to have my Writing Day 2 open. So here we see our graphic organizer. So number 1 asks us to state our opinion. Well, we said our step 1 was that we need to pick our side, pick which side we agree with. So that means you have to pick, do you think students should wear uniforms or do you not think students should wear uniforms? So I'm going to go with that students should wear uniforms. So I'm going to state my opinion over here. Remember, state your opinion, make it very obvious. In my opinion, schools should require school uniforms. And I even forgot to mention about our prompt here because our prompt is still important, but I kind of explained it here in our slides. But it says you just read an informative article about whether or not students should wear uniforms to school. In your opinion, should we be required to wear uniforms or no? Support your opinion with reasons and explanations from the text. So those were the 2 sides. Yes or no, like we mentioned, and now we've got to pick a side. So in my opinion, sorry, I forgot the word in my opinion, schools should require school uniforms. So we have to state our first reason. Well, you came up with the reasons over here. I only came up with 1, but you had 3. And I said uniforms improve discipline and lessen bullying and teasing. So that's my first reason. First, uniforms improve discipline and lessen bullying and teasing. Okay, and then my explanation, I have to explain why that is important. Okay, why does it matter that or how does it matter that uniforms improve discipline and lessen bullying and teasing? So I could say, no one gets teased for what they are wearing because everyone is wearing the same thing. So I explained why that's important because we don't want people to get teased and everyone's wearing the same thing. So that gives a little bit more of an explanation as to why this reason matters. Well, you did more than I did. You gave me a second reason and a third reason. And that's where you're going to put it in here, 4, and then give an explanation on 5, 6, give that third reason and your explanation. Because this was all from the text here. All of these should have been coming from our article here. And that's what it asks us to do here, is to support your opinion with reasons and explanations from the text. So our reasons come from the text, and then we give further explanation as to why that matters. We've got to explain, why does it matter? Our different reasons matter. Okay, good luck on today's writing.